So, I was thinking the other day about some of the more simple recipes I've done, and it brought me back to my protein oatmeal recipes. Today, with the help of the sponsor of this video, Built Bar, we take a time machine back to some of those recipes and add cottage cheese. This cottage cheese overnight oats recipe is packed with protein, has unlimited variations, takes just a few minutes to prep. So let's just jump right into it. Start this one with a bowl and some mason jars. We're making 2 servings, but if you want to save some cleanup time, you could cut the recipe in half and mix everything right in your mason jar. You don't need mason jars either. They just help with the whole food photography thing. And to be honest, are pretty convenient with the lids. Now add into your bowl 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1.5 cups rolled oats, 1 scoop of your choice flavor protein powder, 1 cup of milk substitute, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of some sweetener. Mix everything together, throw your lids on, and put them into your fridge overnight. This is what I use for a base recipe. You can easily change up the flavor or macros by adding in things like cocoa powder, ground cinnamon, fresh fruit, brown rice syrup, pumpkin, instant pudding, and so on. One thing I like to do is, right before I'm ready to eat it, choose a Built Bar that matches my cravings at the time and use it as a topping for even more flavor and protein. This brings us to the sponsor of the video, Built Bar. I'm sure you all know by now that I only take sponsors when I actually like the product, and these bars, if you haven't tried them yet, are some of the best protein bars I've ever had. They definitely don't taste like your standard protein bar, and the macros are great. If you want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below. With that said, thank you for watching, subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Check out theproteinchef.co to scale and print your recipe. Drop a comment below with any questions you might have. Hit that thumbs up button to help with channel engagement. And of course, stay healthy.